YouTube, it's Lee with Seat Time, and what we're doing today is we're going to install wireless CarPlay into the GT3RS, and I'm going to show you how we did it. And it's going to be a short video today, but I just want to give you an overview of what it took to get it done. You're going to need some tools, some Torx wrenches, and some screwdrivers, and some towels just to protect the leather and the inside of the car. But let's take you through how it worked, and you'll see it's not that big of a deal. Let's go. So the wireless CarPlay retrofit kit that you'll get comes with several things coming from the right: the wiring harness, the microphone, the white and blue ribbon, and the motherboard is in that clear container, and that will connect with the white and blue ribbon that will go to the screen that will display the new images. You also have the power supply and other connectors that you probably won't use. They have connections for backup cameras and stuff that you could use, and this is the microphone that is very, very important. And then what you're going to do here is use the Torx tools to get that out of the dashboard. It's not that difficult, but once you get it out, you can then take some screws out the side to separate the radio in half, and that's the most difficult part, is being very careful when you do that. So don't be afraid. Once it's open, then you can take a look here, and you can see where you're going to have to put in the new motherboard. Notice the ribbons going from the screen at the top. That's where you're going to replace with the blue and white ribbon that came with the package. And then you're going to put in the new motherboard at those specified spots to the left and the right. Look to your left. And then right under the ribbon here, here's another side view. You see those little holes right there? That's where you're going to put the new motherboard and piggyback those placements to put the new motherboard that goes right on top. And then you're going to take the new ribbon and go from the old motherboard to the new motherboard, and from the new motherboard to the screen, and that's how you get the new image. It's very, very easy once you kind of get how it's going to go. So don't worry about that. This is the Bluetooth wireless microphone that you'll have to install on the right hand side. Once you slide in these connectors, you're good to go. That left side's for power, the right side's for sound. Once again, take a zip tie with those on the outside frame of the radio and secure that. Okay, so after several hours, I have managed to put everything back together again, and now it's just a matter of making all the connections to the car and going from there. So hopefully that'll go smooth as well, and then we'll see if it works. So let's see. Okay, 38 some odd hours later, I have CarPlay. So let's check it out. Put the key in, turn on auxiliary. Hold the info button. Satellite radio going. Can't play it for you though, but okay, so got it to work. Super duper tired, but everything seems to be functioning right. So I'm happy. CarPlay in my 2016 911 GT3RS complete, and I'm happy. So my name is Lee once again, and this is Seat Time, and another successful mod. And thank you for watching, and good night. But wait, there's more. Okay, so now that we've installed the system, and this is several days later, I want to show you how to wire the microphone. So what we do is you have to run the microphone in the interior of the car, and what I did was, instead of running it in the headliner or putting it here or messing up my headliner here, I ran it through the center console here from the radio, and these are the parts you got to take off. And I ran the microphone through here, and then I took some Velcro and attached it right here. So this is the actual microphone, and what happens is you really can't see the microphone, especially when you're sitting in the chair, but this is the microphone for the system, and when you close it, you really can't see what it is, and when you're sitting down inside the car, you really can't tell. But what you do need to understand is that it does need to be there. And so that way the system can hear what you're saying and Siri can understand what you're saying when you're on the phone. Okay, so we're in the car, and what we're going to do is, now you're sitting in the seat. Like I said, you can't really see the wires that's from here. The cup holders, everything still works just fine. It's just this wire coming from the radio going here. You can run this anywhere you like. You can put it up here in the headrest or over here. Some people put it inside the dashboard under here. I'm not trying to do that, but you're gonna need that microphone in order for it to be usable for Siri. And then once it's in the system, you have all the functionality of wireless CarPlay, which is really, really cool. And it's not like super duper sensitive, but it works just fine. And it has Waze and all the cool things that CarPlay has. And I just think it's really cool that you're able to do this and spend a couple of hours and really give yourself a cool mod that can really update your car. And that's what it's really all about, doing things to make the car more usable for you. And that's what I love about it. So I highly recommend it. Once again, I'll be including the link for the product in the description below. And thanks again for your support. I know this is a very short video, but I want to get this out to you. So more to come on Seat Time. Peace.